I would like to request Richa ji to explain us the future and present opportunities and challenges to the business and regulators. How we can this scenario, how you see this scenario in future and present?
Right. Good morning, sir. So thank you for the question. Since topic is about GST, so I would like to quote it with one of my own drafted quote, wherein I say that income tax is yet more complex. मैं ऐसा बोलती हूँ कि income tax बहुत ज़्यादा गुना complex है GST के वनस्पत compared to GST, but still the amount of time it takes a professional or a CFO to work on GST compliance is way more than income tax. Means I'm trying to say GST में कम time लगना चाहिए, but in today's time it is taking more time and more efforts in doing GST compliances versus income tax, right? So yes, post 2017 हमने काफ़ी changes देखे हैं within the entire ecosystem, and as far as challenges are concerned, there are a lot of challenges, but those challenges can be mitigated by the fact that if you're using a right technology, the first, the experience which I feel is कि in a CA office or in an organization, what happens is when a person comes in and when the person goes, he takes a lot of knowledge along with him. Whatever returns he has filed, whatever data he has processed, considering GST is a month-on-month compliance. So मान लीजिए आपके 500 clients है. So for 500 clients, whatever data he has processed in last 2 years, 3 years, that knowledge also goes with that person. So it becomes very imperative for an organization or for a CA firm to embrace a technology which is able to make their entire ecosystem person independent, is what I personally feel. The second is every firm or every organization, what I've seen is, are spending almost close to 25 days or a majority of their time in doing GST compliances, right? Even then, when we are doing or spending that much of time, we are not sure whether the work which we have done was fully correct, or were there any risk, or are we bound to get notices? So I am not getting the instant answer to those questions. I'll come to know about these data which I've processed after 2 years, 3 years, when I'll receive a notice. So it becomes very imperative कि even if the person who actually processed that data at that point in time, he is in the system, I should be able to still dig out that data of last 3 years, 5 years, 7 years also, and for that matter, for answering my department.
Data.
Yes, right.
How to collect the past data.
Yes,
like
and thirdly, it is like, for example, in case of CA firms, if they should be adopting technology wherein when a notice comes to a client, the client tells a professional that, yes, we have received a notice.
And in GST notices, they always demand huge data.
They always demand a huge data.
Huge data. So and very short deadlines.
In very short deadlines.
Now, अब हम इसको कैसे meet out करेंगे in the AI?
Right. So I think I would be fortunate, and I would like to share that KDK Softwares is also has been closely working with all chartered accountants across India, wherein we have been providing technology solutions. Like, for example, notices. So whatever data which you have processed in last 8 years, you will still be able to dig that data out. आपने R1 file किया, 3B file किया, आपने file नहीं भी किया, still you will have access to all those data of the reconciliation which your article or your team member might have done. So we provide that level of technology wherein you will instantly see your client notices on your dashboard. You will instantly see all the data which was filed related to those notices. Similarly, जो एक सबसे बड़ा pain point होता है GST के केस में professionals के लिए, जहाँ पे they have to send the 2B data to their clients before filing 3B return, wherein KDK helps them to facilitate by sending automated emails to their clients, wherein the entire data automatically is scheduled and sent of the to be reconciliations. So all these kind of automations, all these kind of practices help a professional in terms of speed fasting the entire compliance work.